Okay, and then what happens if one of those containers or the goods inside during an intensive exam are damaged? Can CBP be held liable for those damages?
It's a very difficult situation. If it is damaged by customs, the only way that you can reconcile that with customs is through a congressional tort. And that means getting your congressman involved, getting him to write letters. So it's very, very difficult, very time consuming, and very negative, you know. So the answer is yes, but I've only seen it done once in my 40-year career.